Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. We're going to solve array pair sum divisibility. Here we are given an array in nums with some elements and a k. And the catch is we have to break this array into two subarrays, and those subarrays won't be a single element, they will be pairs, and those pairs should be divisible by given value k. Okay, so in example 1, 9573 can be divided into two pairs such as 9, 3 and 5 and 7. Both will yield the sum 12, which is divisible by k, which is 6. Similarly, in example 2, we have 4, 4 and 4. So you can always take two fours to make a pair, but this 4 will always remain empty, single-handed. It won't form a pair. So it will return false in this case. Okay. Now there are a lot of methods to solve using another sets or map. I'm using sets, and I'm using map, which is dictionary in Python, and I'm using default dictionary. It is quite similar to dictionary. It is always similar, but with the only difference that it won't yield you key error. So the first thing is the length of the array in nums should be even, not odd, as we saw in the example 2, that it will give us an empty value, one value, which will always be hanging over there. That should not happen. So if that is the case, then we will return false. Now to move ahead for and in and okay, I'll have to create a dictionary first, and let's name it C, and it will hold digit value. Okay, now after that I will just fill this dictionary. This will fill the dictionary. Okay, now for key in C dot keys, so that is why I use defaulted, so it won't yield us any key error. Okay, now the only condition which we need to apply is here, if when it is not yielding even value and not equal to C of k minus k. So if k is there, then key minus k should be there, or vice versa. Okay, if that's the case, we are able to not achieve, either of these things or both of these things, then we will return false. If we are able to, then we are good to go, and I will return the true. Let me submit it for you. And yeah, it does the job pretty well. Thank you. Have a nice day.